Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Blackview BV6600E. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Write Google Classroom and click the install button. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Next is to press on Get Started. Here you can choose whichever account you want to use or add another one. I'm gonna use this one, click OK. Now in order to join the class, we're gonna press on the plus button and then join class. Here you'll need to enter the code which you should be provided with, and after entering this code, click join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.